our 72-inch gas shish kebab broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 72 inches in length, a depth of 25 inches, and an overall height, we have 12 inches tall. Included will be 6 legs that can be mounted beneath the kebab broiler. Each leg can be mounted on each corner of the kebab broiler, and your choice whether it is sitting on a countertop or standing on legs. Measurement for each leg will be 4 inches in height. Natural gas regulator will also be included with this purchase. Coming to the top will be 12 burners. Each of the cast iron plates can be removed, with each measuring 16¼ inches in depth by 3½ inches in length. By removing the cast iron plates, beneath will be the main heating elements for this kebab broiler. Measurements apply for 12 of the individual burners. Coming beneath will be a separate control knobs, each operating the burners, and each slot to ignite the flame. Beneath are 2 drip pans. Each drip pan will measure 34¼ inches in length by 23 inches in depth. Measures apply for the first and second waste tray beneath the kebab broiler. Coming over to the side will be the gas information along with the pressure for this kebab broiler oven. Coming to the back will be the black pipe to hook up your gas. And last but not least, this kebab broiler is health department approved. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.